Utilizing sunshades to maximize thermal performance and natural daylight. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at how the use of sunshades helps utilize natural daylight for sustainable building design and how different glass types help reflect, absorb, and transmit solar energy. So here's an example of a high school with an expanded use of glass to maximize daylight and views. Sunshades were used to reduce the amount of direct sunlight hitting the glass. Where a shading strategy is not being utilized, you need to focus on the performance of the insulated glass units you're using to minimize solar heat gain. We want large glass areas on the exterior because we want to increase daylighting and views. Healthy buildings have a connection between the interior and the exterior, but without shading, you need to look at relying upon the glass performance to control interior thermal comfort and cut down on solar heat gain. Of the light spectrum, majority of the heat comes in through the infrared light spectrum. Low E coatings on glass are designed to reflect infrared back out, reflecting most of the heat back to the exterior. Using darker tinted glass absorbs the heat, cutting it down from passing to the interior, but it also impacts your view to the exterior as you're not seeing true light on the outside. One good way to evaluate glass performance is what we call LSG, or this is the ratio of visible light that lets in to solar heat gain coefficient. So the LSG, light to solar heat gain, is a very good way of evaluating glass performance. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.